Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is a little project we're going to be making today. It's a little sachet, so it's a little fragrance sachet you can put in your clothes drawer, something like that. So let's get started. So you're going to need a scrap of Mossy Meadow, a scrap of Whisper White. This is the Magnolia Lane Designer Series paper, and this measures 9 inches by 3.5 inches. So we're going to do some scoring first. So on the 9-inch side we're going to score at 4 inches and then again at 8 inches, and then on the short side we are going to score at 1/2 inch on either side. So let's just do that. Okay, so that's our scoring done. Let's get the scoreboard out of the way. Put that away before it causes problems. And now we're just going to burnish, fold on our score lines. So let's do this one in the centre first. Find it. Whoops, I can see everything's a bit. Okay. And do these side ones. Give it a good burnish. Okay. So now, I did do that one, that's fine. Okay, so get my scissors out. We're going to do some cutting now. So, as you can see, we have this 1/2 inch strip here we're going to keep, but everything above the score line here, this 1/2 inch strip, we're going to cut all of that away. So let's do that, and actually I'm going to get bigger scissors than that to do it with, because it'll work better. So it's not so easy to see in this light, but okay, that's that one done. And that one done. Okay, so we can get rid of these 2 bits. Okay, so you can see this is going to fold here. This is going to fold over and fold over again like that. Okay, so we need to put some adhesive here and here, and I'm going to use the tear and tape. So let's get that out, and I'm just going to put a strip here close to the score line. There's one strip, and put another strip there. Okay, and as I said, this is a pressure adhesive, so it helps to just give it a burnish. Makes it much easier for the backing paper to come off. So we'll take that off. There we go. Fold those 2 bits in, and we're going to fold this over now and just make sure we try and line it up as best as possible. Okay, so there we have our little pocket to put our beads in. And I'm using these beads. These are just fuchsia flavoured scented little beads. They're normally for your laundry, but I'm going to use these if I can get it open. I'm not very good at stuff like this. There we go. And I've got a few in the cap. As you can see, they just look like that. And you can fill up as many. Whoops, getting them everywhere. I'm not going to put too many in there because I don't. Whoops, being a real klutz today, aren't I? Okay, because I don't want to have it smelling too much, because I suffer badly with hay fever and allergies, so anything that's too strongly scented will just set it off. So you can obviously put as many in there or as little as you like. You can make this bigger, smaller pocket, you know, same principle. Okay, so there's a spare bead. Let's put him in there before he escapes again. Fold it over. As you saw, I just put some adhesive, stuck him down, and there's the basic of your little pocket. So there we go. So let's put that aside and do some stamping now. Okay, so the stamp set I'm going to use again is Delightful Day. Okay, and I'm going to be using just this one here that says Just a Little Something. Okay, so where's my scrap of Whisper White? Here we go. Mossy Meadow ink again, because that's the green that coordinates really well with this suite of products. Okay, and then just going to stamp that, hold it. There we go. Lovely jubbly. Okay, close that up, get that out the way. Just going to leave that for a second to dry. Now I'm going to bring my scrap piece of Mossy Meadow, and I'm going to be using this punch, which is the Timeless punch, Timeless label. I'm going to just punch that out there, and then I'm going to punch this one out with the same punch. There we go. Okay. Now, because I want to use this to mat it at the back, it's the same size, I need to cut it in half so that I can mat it nicely. What I'm going to do is put some adhesive, just some snail, on the back of the stamp piece. Not getting it towards the edge, but anyway. Okay, and now I'm just going to line it up as best as I can to give it a little bit of a border, you can see, and do the same on the top. Like that. Okay, so now I'm just going to get the ribbon to put around here. I mean, you don't really need it, but it just adds a little something extra. So that's the striped pink, petal pink organdy ribbon. I'm just going to get that because I've put it away again by mistake. So here it is. This is the ribbon we're going to use. It's a gorgeous ribbon. I'm literally just going to wrap it around the box. So measure it roughly about there. Cut it off. Okay. That's the back. So we want it around the front. And all I'm going to do is put a little bit of adhesive here where I want it, and start it off there and bring it round. I think I've got a bit too much ribbon, didn't measure very accurately, did I? And I'll keep that there. Don't worry that it's not perfect, because it's going to be covered up by our little sentiment. So we're going to stick this down with some dimensionals. So 2 dimensionals will do. Oops. And I'm going to cut that straight over the ribbon like that. And then we're going to use a rhinestone just at the bottom here to give it something extra. Okay. Right. So that's the one I made before. That's the one I made today. Super cute. So thank you for watching. If you want to know anything more about the project, dimensions, the supplies used, etc., it'll be on the blog post that goes with this video, and the links to my website and everything will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, if you could just press like so YouTube know, and of course don't forget to subscribe so you'll be alerted about future videos. Thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!